just have the heart there. Yes, sir.
Like how you're a pastor, you're allowed to have sex every night.
Who, me?
Yeah.
You can't feed on that. But you're legal to please your wife or your husband. So if you feed on that too much, it may never gain a lot in walking with Christ. Because that is the flesh as well. Same way how you're legal. If you feed on that, it can drain you.
So if you're married, you can't have sex when I'm baptized.
You have to plan how you're going to live in just that alone. You can't just live for that
only. You can praise the Lord though and not have to baptize and have sex.
You can't until the revelation comes to you and you're convicted to know. So you have to go according to the scripture. You have to go according to the scripture. You can't come to the Lord now.
Please, sir. You know what the pastor said? The pastor said if you're married, you see, and you're baptized and I think you only can have sex once a month because it's a time.
No.